Let me know if there are questions. Again, the final answer is a little bit cut off down here. I'll move it up in a sec. The final answer is 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k, 4 pi over 3 plus 2 pi k, 0 plus 2 pi k, and 2 pi plus 2 pi k. And again, if there are questions comparing your work to mine, please let me know. All right. Any questions on 2b? 3b. Okay, going to proof number 5. So that is this proof right here. Here's what we get. Some of you may have simplified inside here first and then distributed the cosine. That's fine. Not a problem. Either way works. Any questions on this proof? Edgar? Where am I looking at here? Here? Okay, because this is multiplied here. This times this, and this times this. Alright, and finally number 6. This is all about if you knew the trick, you were in good shape. So this was all about the trick. Bottom right times top left plus bottom left times top right divided by these multiplied. Any questions on number 6? Okay, and one last thing I like to do, and a lot of people missed this problem on the exam, on the free response exam that we had last Friday. So I wanted to go over this problem. I would say 95% of people missed this in the class, in all 4 sections of pre-calc. So arctan of cotangent of negative pi over 6. This is on the old free response exam 4b. Some of you have already corrected this, but this problem was very commonly missed. Not on the free response packet, on the one that you guys took a test on last Friday. Brianna. I'm not picking those up. No, ma'am. So again, on a problem like this, you got to peel the onion inside out. So you're starting here, cotangent negative pi over 6. Remember, negative pi over 6 is not on the unit circle, so you need to add 2 pi. And we get 11 pi over 6. So we're saying, what is cotangent of 11 pi over 6? Cosine over sine, absolutely. Cosine of 11 pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. Sine of 11 pi over 6 is negative 1/2. You want to keep, change, flip. I would say half the people in the class got this. No, because we're not square rooting anything. No. You only have the plus minus if it's like x squared equals 3. So x equals plus minus square root 3. Now this needs to go back here, and this is where a lot of people tripped up when they did this. A lot of people tripped up on this step. Because remember, in words, this is saying what angle from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Remember the domain restriction for arctan and arcsine are negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Domain restriction for cosine is 0 to pi. Has a tan of negative root 3. Again, remember, I don't know what the answer to this off the top of my head is, but I do know this is the graph of tangent. I do know tangent has an asymptote at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2. I also know that the tangent of pi over 4 is 1 because tangent is sine over cosine and sine pi over 4 equals cosine of pi over 4. And then I'm saying to myself, well, let me just assume this is positive. If this were positive, it would be somewhere here. Here's root 3. There's only one angle between pi over 4 and pi over 2, and that's pi over 3. If we were looking for positive root 3, the answer would be positive pi over 3. We want negative root 3, so we want negative pi over 3. I think maybe 2 people got this right in the whole class. So let me take any questions on this. Okay. So the last thing is we do have opportunity for corrections today after school, or Monday after school being the final date for that piece. However, you're going to you have the opportunity to correct both the pre-response exam from last Friday and the multiple choice one from before. Those corrections again must be submitted, must be done either today after school or Monday after school. Other than that, we have 9 minutes left. That's plenty of time to get started on multiple choice or the pre-response to do Monday, whichever one you prefer. Then pick up the journal.